Hi guys, and welcome to DIY Ideas, and welcome to a really cool pattern tutorial. Today I'm going to show you a variation of a V pattern. So when always you go into the same spot and you kind of have two legs of the V, and yeah, so in that same spot you have the two legs put in. Here we have half double crochets and single crochets, and so that's why we kind of have a little kind of tilted V. So it kind of goes together with the gray wool here together to the right, with a half double crochet and then a single crochet. And then because I crocheted in rows and have always used the same crochet and the same exact pattern, and then in the next row it actually looks to be pointing kind of in the other direction, and you always go in between them in each row, and there's the chain stitch obviously between them, and I think it looks really nice, super interesting, and is a lot of fun to crochet. Which wool exactly I used I'm going to show you now, and I hope you have a lot of fun. Okay, so let's get started. This is my leftover wool from my Chic Unique wool. I'm going to show you here the whole ball of yarn. This is actually just a different color. This is for size 6 crocheting hooks, and that's what I'm going to use. It's 200 grams, 310 meters long. It's 75% acrylic, 50% wool, and 10 polyamide. There's a lot of different colors here. Mine here is with pink and orange, and I think I've actually used this already for a nice shawl last week. So I'm going to show you here with my leftover thread, what this pattern looks like. For the base, I'm going to do chain stitches with a base of 2. I'm going to do 12 here. I have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. All right, so we have 12 here already. Then we will skip 1 and go into the next one and add a single crochet, chain stitch, and another half double crochet, everything in the same stitch. Then we skip 1 and repeat the same thing, single crochet, chain stitch, half double crochet. Skip 1, single crochet, chain stitch, half double crochet. Then again skip 1, single crochet, chain stitch, and half double crochet. Skip 1, single crochet, chain stitch, half double crochet. Okay, take a little more wool here. And then we have 2 stitches left, exactly how it's supposed to be. So skip 1, and into the last one we add a double crochet, chain stitch, and another half double crochet. And this is what it looks like now. I have 4, 5, 6 of these packs, of the double packs. So that's why the base of 12. Then 1 chain stitch for height, and then we go back and turn it around, and then we always go underneath the chain stitch of the row before, and then again single crochet, chain stitch, and half double crochet. Then the next one, you can kind of feel it really well with your fingers. Okay, half double crochet, single crochet, chain stitch, half double crochet. And you can see here, because we have the smaller stitch first, and in the row before it is the other way around, we kind of have this little adjustment here with how the stitch is pointing, or how the pack is pointing. Okay. And we continue here. Single crochet, chain stitch, half double crochet. And then here on the outside, single crochet, chain stitch, half double crochet. Then 1 chain stitch for height, turn it around, and the next row. So again, 1 chain stitch and then the same pattern again. Okay, so here we always are now kind of, this is row number 3, so we're doing the same as we did in row number 1. So row number 2 kind of is different here. And you should see the difference already. Okay. I'm just continuing here in the same pattern. And we do that until the end of the row. This is a really, really nice pattern here, very interesting. Then 1 chain stitch here for height, and then we go back again, single crochet, chain stitch, and half double crochet. And then we continue in the same pattern. I'm going to continue with you guys here until the end of this row, but obviously after that it just continues in the same pattern. It's always the kind of the rhythm of 3, the pack of 3s. Then you start every row with a chain stitch, and then you finish off the row in the pattern. Okay. And I'm going to continue using the rest of my wool and give you another update. All right, so this is the end of my leftover wool, and you can see how nice this color actually developed here through the rows. So we have the nice color switch here, so we don't have any more gray at the end here. And I think the colors are super cute. And you can just see the colors here and see the pattern here. So we always have, yeah, the kind of bent V's or tilted V's. And I think it's just a really nice variation of the V pattern, and I really hope that you guys like this tutorial. If you did, then please go ahead and like my channel, and hopefully I will see you guys back here at DIY Ideas soon. Bye!